With its Nexigen plan, the Port of Barcelona is improving air quality by reducing emissions from ships arriving in the city. Now it has the first onshore power supply system for large container ships. This innovative system connects ships to an electrical grid that supplies them with green energy and allows them to shut down their engines and stop generating emissions while in port. The Port of Barcelona thus provides its customers with the necessary infrastructures to become more sustainable and move forward together towards decarbonisation. Manufactured in Denmark according to the specific needs of the Port of Barcelona, the first OPS has been installed at the Hutchison Ports Best Terminal, taking advantage of the terminal enlargement works. In addition to being one of the most competitive and technologically advanced terminals in Europe, with the OPS, it will strengthen its position as one of the most sustainable, as it's the first one to be equipped with this system in the Mediterranean. Installation of the OPS meant bringing a new 25,000-volt medium voltage network via 3,000 meters of cable to the wharfside, where 3 specifically designed connection boxes have been manufactured and installed to allow them to be integrated into and made compatible with terminal operations. These connection points allow up to 2 vessels to be connected simultaneously. Thus, once ships roll out their cables and connect their electrical equipment to the wharf, the OPS adapts the frequency and voltage of the electric current to the specific needs of the ships that dock at the Port of Barcelona, supplying up to 8 megawatts of power, which they need to continue running while their engines are shut down. This is a pilot test that will allow data to be collected in real time and to learn the needs of the service firsthand so that we can design future OPS installation and supply green energy to ships. However, the Port of Barcelona's first OPS for large container ships is just the beginning of the Nexigen plan. Over the next 5 years, thanks to the 80 megawatt connection guaranteed by Red Electrica, a new electrical substation will be built and a new medium voltage network will be rolled out in the port area to equip all the cruise terminals on Adasat Wharf and the main ferry and container terminals with OPS to make them increasingly sustainable. The aim is that by 2030, all cruise, ferry and container terminals at the Port of Barcelona should be equipped with OPS. Supplying green energy to ships and reducing the emissions they generate is the cornerstone of the Port of Barcelona's energy transition plan. It is one of the milestones on the road towards decarbonising port activity. This transformation will help us become more sustainable, combat the climate emergency, and improve our citizens' quality of life.